So we have a couple of airdrops to go and check, claim, and also checker. So make sure to stick until the end because there's gonna be a surprise. And with that said, we jump straight into the laptop. The first one is the World Roost airdrop right here. All you gotta do through the link down below, simply connect your Phantom wallet, copy the code or the wallet address, put it here, check and see if you are eligible. If you are eligible, please let me know down in the comments below how many tokens you received and how many tokens you will go and, or how many wallets, by the way. You can check multiple wallets as you see here. Simply put the comma to it and let me know if you're eligible for it. Next up, I do want to share with you, I have opened a new long on Ethereum over on Wix. Wix is no KYC, and this is the last day of this amazing promotion. Because it's the last day, you get a 1000 USDT bonus as soon as you sign up. The link will be down below. And you will also get a 100% position airdrop, meaning that if you go and deposit $100, you will get $100. If you go and deposit $400 or $500, you will get $500 position. So make sure to go and take advantage of it. It's the last day and it is there for you because you are an amazing community. I wanted to push, and this is a great platform to go and trade. Next up, we have the Cycle airdrop. You can claim your CYC airdrop right here. Simply connect your wallet, whether it is Kepler, MetaMask, Phantom. We can go and connect the Phantom to showcase you how it is. Make sure that you are on the supported network, and then you can simply go and participate and check your allocation. Now, personally, for this one, I never participate in it. Simply because I didn't, but let me know your allocation down below. Another trade that I do open, the same one that I did on Wix, just wanted to share with you. You can also join Breakout. It's a prop firm. You're able to go and buy accounts from $5,000 to $100,000 for only $50 or $100, so you trade with more money. The link is down below. Use the code that you see on the screen or down below. I also open here an Ethereum long just to showcase you everything that I do in real time with you. Next up, we do have the Spark airdrop as well. So over here, you can check your eligibility for the Spark airdrop by connecting any of the wallet. Again, we can go and try connect the Phantom wallet, not the MetaMask wallet. Agree and continue. See over here, and if you're eligible, you can go and check here. Unfortunately, you're not eligible for the Ignition pre-farming or layer 3 errors. So there are 3 errors to go and check. And of course, I didn't participate in this one. So let me know in the comments down below if you're eligible, if you did participate, and what is your allocation for it, because it would be nice to go and understand it from you. Another thing over on Kinto, if you're still utilizing the protocol, or if you simply staked your Kinto, you have received an Arbitrum position, as we see right here. Just for staking Kinto, we received $17 in Arbitrum and $16 on the SPX 6900 right here. So we basically got an extra $35 for free airdrop, which you can go and withdraw as well or trade Arbitrum on Hyperliquid. You can go and do whatever you want, but it's nice that it keeps on delivering. Now, I still have my Kinto staked. Probably you have it as well or you sold it. I found no reason to sell it. However, since their collapse, as we see here, the price has gone actually up. It went all the way down to $1. They repacked it, recreated a token. Now it's at $6.76, which is absolutely phenomenal. So definitely big ups to the team. It's staked until August 31st, as we see right here. After that, possibly I will go and stake them again, simply because why not? We're getting free money from it. But let me know your thoughts down below. But go and check your Kinto portfolio just right here and go scroll down, and you should have the reward right here on the homepage. Next up, we do have the Nodepay Season 2 airdrop to go and claim. All you gotta do, go to the signal on the left, contribute and earn right here, switch from Season 3 to Season 2, and if you're eligible, you will see it here. Congratulations, you're eligible for the airdrop. Now, this one is not an airdrop based on the points like it was before or the referrals. As you see here, I got points per day and I make points every day because of you. You can still join, by the way. The link, I will leave it down below. But they have a Season 2 and a Season 3. You can go and contribute. You can unlock by simply holding the tokens. Then you can create questions, suggestions, and votes. And this is how you get the future airdrop, by basically being part of the community that is being created over on Nodepay. Next up, we have the Camp airdrop. Now, I cannot access due to my location, so let me know also if you're able to go and access it from your location or not. Currently, I am not able to do it, as you see right here. But maybe, you're probably not resident where I am, so make sure to go and check it if you are. And yeah, let me know your allocation down below. This is the nice things about, KYC and non KYC. For example, Wix not being non KYC, you can access it from anywhere and trade from anywhere. Lastly, I do want to remind you to go and do your trades on a well. To once again, guys, super important. The airdrop is coming up really soon. You don't want to miss it. It's simple, a bridge, and that's it. Simply do a bridge and you're good to go. Nothing to stress about, nothing to worry about, and you don't have to waste much time on it, which is the nice thing about the airdrop. But with that said, guys, I hope I did give you important information. It's Friday, potentially going to Saturday and Sunday. It's going to be a little bit more quiet in terms of what the the airdrop situation is. We got the cryptos going up and down, so it can fluctuate. I will try and take you some videos, of course, with all the major updates. Even if there's a small updates, I do want to take you daily videos because you supported me for so long, and I want to keep on delivering to you. So with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy it, and I will see you all in the next one. Ciao, guys.